questions to gather data so we can turn it into bar charts and tables.
Let me introduce myself.
Sarah, what is your favorite color out of orange, blue, or green?
Orange.
Okay, thank you. What is your favorite color out of orange, blue, or green?
Green.
Cool, thank you. Okay, John, what's your favorite color out of orange, blue, or green?
Orange, blue, or green? Magenta.
That's not an option.
Oh. Blue.
Okay,
Blue.
perfect, thanks.
Thank you.
I'm all smiles. You may know me as the
So here are results from the survey. We asked, what is your favorite color out of orange, blue, or green? And so orange, there was a total of 6. So the tallies with the dash have a 5 and then 6. Blue, there were 1, 2, 3, 4. And then green, there were 5. So we're going to put this data into a table.
most love only lasts a while. Pessimistic, so realistic, you get the picture.
So now there's our data into a table. So now what we're going to do is we're going to make a bar chart of all this data.
I met you, now my world is so much bigger. Upside down, off the ground is what you do. When you touch me, it's like the very first time.
So for orange, if you remember from the table, there were 6 people that liked orange. So we're going to draw a colorful line going all the way up to the number 6. Let's fill that in. The next color, blue. There were 4 people that liked blue. So we're going to go all the way up to the 4. And then last, the green, there were 5 people that like green. So we're going to go all the way up to the 5. Okay, so now we have our data in a table and then also in a colorful bar graph. And this will just help us visualize the data that we had gathered.
I'm so lucky to say that you're mine.
So now after we have all of our data in a visual form, we are going to answer a few questions about the data that we've gathered. So number 1, which color did people like the most? So now when we look at the bar chart, we're going to look at these bars and we're going to look at the one that is the tallest. And it looks like the orange is the tallest. It goes all the way up to the 6, and the blue's at the 4 and the green's at the 5. So people liked orange the most because it's at the 6. So that's our answer, it's orange. The next question, how many people like the color green? So we're going to look at the bar green, and we're going to count how high it is. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 people like the color green. And the last question is, how many more people liked orange than green? So we're going to count how many people liked orange, and that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 people liked orange. We can just write on the bar chart right there. And then green was how many? Yeah, it was 5. So all we're going to do is we're just going to subtract 6 orange minus 5 green. And that is going to be 1 left over. So one more person liked orange more than green.